Hey, this is Wes with Missouri Wind and Solar. We're out in our brand new classroom today. I'm here with Kent, who has lost the toss, and he's out here installing carpet tile, getting the finishing touches done on it. We wanted to do a quick video out here today, showing you this great new facility that we got, and talk to you a little bit about what we've done with our workshops. So, as many of you know, and we've done several videos on this over the years, we've done a workshop usually about every other year that we do a wind and solar workshop on a Saturday. Been incredibly well received. They're always packed out. This last year, we did one in February, and it was absolutely packed out. And we had a waiting list to the point where we went ahead and put on another class in May. And as soon as we put that class in May, it was packed out. So we got together and started talking, and we had an area here in our facility that we decided we were going to turn into a classroom, and this is kind of what you see here that we've put together. We want to be able to do a lot more educational, so we decided, okay, we put the classroom together, and we're going to, with that change, is change how we're actually even doing our classroom. So what we've done with our workshops is we've taken them, and the only feedback that we've got negatively about our workshop over the years has been that we've tried to do too much in too short a time. So there's really a lot of information coming at our attendees. And so we've taken that first workshop that was a wind and solar, and we've broken that out over 2 days now. So we've set our classes up where they're over a Thursday and a Friday. And so as we're going to repeat this class, so one cycle wind will be on a Thursday, and the next cycle wind will be on a Friday, so that you could, pick your cycle that you want to be able to go with. But the idea there is that you could just come to the class that you wanted to attend, but that class would be incredibly in-depth and granular. And if you wanted to attend both, then you could schedule a Thursday, Friday, and be able to take them both. The classes, again, are independent, so you can just take one. And there's a discount if you want to take the two of them together. There's also a buddy discount now, where if you want somebody to share your table with, and we've got some of them set up out here, and we'll finish setting them up overall. But if you want a buddy to attend with you, you can do that for a very discounted price also. What we've also done is we're introducing some additional classes. So 2 new classes that we're going to be presenting is on batteries. Anytime we do anything on batteries, it's incredibly well received. It is our #1 downloaded podcast. Anything on our YouTube channel that we do about batteries is incredibly well received. So we've decided to go ahead and put a class on batteries together, and another class on off-grid versus grid tied. And so we're going to present those on a Thursday, Friday scenario. So we're going to continue to develop our curriculum for our workshops, and then present them in a cycle that you'll be able to come and take these classes together. We will still plan on doing our Saturday classroom probably at least once a year. We know that not everybody can take a Thursday and Friday and make your way to Seymour, and that a Saturday is much more doable. So we'll still include that Saturday super class in the mix, but probably still only do that once a year. So if you're interested in looking at the classes, you can go to our main website, windandsolar.com, and you'll be able to get to the Eventbrite page. We still will be using Eventbrite, so there you can go to the Eventbrite page also. We'll have all of the classes listed out there, so you can actually register there and be able to move in between classes if you want to. And so if you've registered at one class and you want to move to another one, you can do that there also. So we really have upped our game when it comes to education. We hope that you will take advantage of these classes, and we really look forward to seeing you here in Seymour. So thanks a lot.